In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master the HubSpot Meetings API in just 10 minutes. To begin, make sure you are logged into your HubSpot account. This is your gateway to all the tools and features we'll be exploring today. Once you're logged in, your first stop should be the trial guide. This section is packed with all the resources you'll need to kick off your form building process efficiently. Moving on, focus your attention on the home page. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but our next step takes you to the Sales section. Click on Sales to access a menu that includes the Meeting Scheduler. This will be a vital part of our process since the Meetings API revolves around optimizing how you schedule and manage your meetings. Once you're in the Meeting Scheduler section, click on Create Scheduling Page. This is where you start to build the core of your meetings management process. You'll be prompted to select a scheduling type. This feature is customizable to fit different meeting purposes, whether it's a one-on-one meeting, a team meeting, or group availability. The choice you make here will depend on how you intend to interact with clients or colleagues. After selecting the scheduling type, you have the opportunity to personalize the details. Customize everything to fit your needs, including setting the time, date, and crafting an event title that reflects the purpose of your meeting. As you go through these options, take a moment to review everything to ensure that all the details are precisely as you want them. Consistency and clarity in your settings will help in providing a seamless experience for invitees. By making adjustments now, you set yourself up for smoother operations later on. This includes double-checking that your meeting times are set to your preferred time zone and confirming that your event title accurately represents the meeting's purpose. Such details might seem minor, but can have significant impacts on reducing miscommunication. To further customize, ensure that the availability settings match your calendar and commitments. Adjust your scheduling timeframes so that they fit within your daily schedule and sync with your HubSpot calendar. This ensures that you're not overbooking and allows users to select times that genuinely work for everyone involved. By following these steps, you're effectively leveraging the power of HubSpot Meetings API. This not only enhances productivity, but also strengthens the professionalism of how you handle meeting scheduling. I hope this guide has provided you with the clarity and confidence to navigate HubSpot Meetings API with ease. If you encounter any challenges, remember that the resources in the trial guide are always there to help you further your understanding. Now, you're well on your way to becoming adept at using this powerful tool within HubSpot. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.